Today, we're going to be diving into CryptoBull, one of my favorite crypto signal providers. Now, I use this through Signalpeak IO, and the reason I do is because I pay a ridiculously cheap price, and I got to test it for free. Now, for a one-time fee, you can get access to over 100 premium Telegram groups, but specifically, I want to talk about CryptoBull because you can put a trade on a CryptoBull and wait a month without even checking it, and then you get a ridiculous amount of profit. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. Let's roll. So starting off with the website, guys, signalpeak.io. This is where you can gather the best system online for crypto signals, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how this starts as well. So the first thing you're going to do is check out if there is groups inside of Signalpeak that you actually enjoy. And if you see one of these that maybe you're already paying for or you enjoy, or you don't know what they are, but you've heard about them, everybody in the crypto world has heard about Alex Friedman, Binance Killers, okay? Bull, master of Binance. You get all of these, okay, in this package for a one-time fee. And you can try for absolutely free. So let's go straight into the Telegram where it shows you. But if you want to check out the website, please do. You can also message them on Telegram. Ask them any questions you want, guys. It's insane how you can change your life for a one-time fee. So let's check out the Telegram. So guys, you can see here in the Signalpeak channel, over 11,000 followers. They're always posting results and memes and things, all right? But you can see people making actual money, 136% here. So I made 137%. They always message in the group. I've actually got some posts on here as well, okay? It's very, very cool. Binance 360, all different ones. So I'm going to show you how you get involved with this right now. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the bot. And you can see here, you can actually get an affiliate code like I have and bring in a lot of people if you share this, making a crazy amount of money. But with the bot, guys, you're going to do a simple thing, okay? You're just going to start the bot as you would. So the first thing you're going to do is click start, as you can see up there. And then it's going to bring up the fact that you have all these VIP groups. But the most important bit to see is this trial. Free day, 1 day free trial, or you can go straight into the monthly or lifetime fee. So guys, this is really cool because all you have to do is choose it. You click it, you're going to get the free trial instantly. If you click 350, it's going to take you to a payment processor, okay, where you pay crypto and you get the access. If you need to talk to support, please do. But once you've done that, you're going to get access to everything. So once you've done that, you're going to click on the membership and choose either crypto or forex. You can choose both if you want. Once you've chose that, guys, you're going to get access to all of these bots on the left-hand side. Here we go, guys. Now, CryptoBull is very, very unique because the way that they make profit is extraordinary. Now, this is a trade that is going to go on for a long period of time, so you don't have to sit there watching the TV or your screen all day. So you can see here, look, this one lasted 17 days, but the profit they make are 129%, 80%, 269%. This was a 1 month, 1 day trade. This is a put it on and wait for it to hit either the targets or the stop loss. It's very, very simple, but they very rarely lose. Now, they will send a signal, and the signal looks like this, all right? Bitcoin to USDT is going to be a long, and you're going to buy it at this range, anywhere in between this range. Your targets for profit are anywhere in between these, so you could choose if you want an easy profit or if you want it to be a risky profit, and the stop loss in case you're going to lose is here, okay? That's all they do, guys, and you start to see the percent, which is absolutely insanity, okay? 12-hour trade, 14%, 123% for a free day trade. It's very, very easy to know that CryptoBull is probably the least hassle group out of the lot. But again, you could choose Crypto Hounds, In Circle, Binance, whatever it is you want to do. I just want to highlight which one I like doing because I like putting trades on in CryptoBull and never thinking about them. And a month later, someone says, hey, you just made 157% of your trade. That to me is the most fantastic thing in the world. There you go, guys. Now you understand why I'm so excited about this. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you're notified. Hit the link down below to try for absolutely free, and I'll see you next time.